Hi everyone, I hope you're doing super well. Today I'm going to show you how I go about making my potting medium, my potting mix for a lot of my aroids. This is called a chunky aroid mix. And aroids are like plants like philodendron, your pothos, your monstera, your syndapsis, your alocasia, your anthurium, tons and tons of different plants. And the key to making sure that your plants are super healthy and taken care of, one of those keys is making sure that they have a good soil mix. So what I like to do is I like to take some regular potting mix. This one is a tropical potting mix, which is really good. It's Miracle Grow. It's about $6 a bag. And so what I do is I put some of that in here, but I also mix in some other items, including coco coir. Coco coir nuggets are really good because they allow for a lot of breathable space. And so if you're an aroid plant like a philodendron, for instance, then your roots are going to want to be able to like move around in the soil and not be so condensed like regular potting soil does. And this allows for that. So what also allows for that is some orchid bark. Orchid bark, very similar to coco coir nuggets in that instance. And then also I'm going to put in some horticultural charcoal. All you need is a little bit of horticultural charcoal. And why this is so good is that it helps fight off any bacteria that could develop in the soil. Let's say, for instance, if the soil is pretty dense and gets wet and soaked, you could run into some mildew or mold issues, and this will help fight that off. There is one other ingredient, and that is perlite. So perlite's amazing because it allows for easy drainage as well. And so what I'm going to do is put some in there and also then put in some more soil potting mix. Now, I did do something I shouldn't have done. You should usually wear a mask if you're dealing with perlite because the dust that comes up from it, if you're breathing it, could be a little bit difficult. So shame on me, but I'll let it fly this time. And so then all you do is mix it around, and then as that bag of soil falls, you'll start to see here why it's called a chunky aroid mix. And so if you look at that, you will see how breathable that would be for a plant's roots to kind of move around in, because you have these big chunks of coco coir nuggets, you have your orchid bark, a perlite, horticultural charcoal, and then you just have your regular soil in there as well. And so by planting your plants inside this kind of medium, especially if they're an aroid, then you're going to have a lot of success. You're going to see the plant grow faster than you would have expected, and its foliage is going to look lush and huge.